My name is Dr. Lizette Longoria, principal of Audie Murphy Middle School. At Murphy, our students are well-rounded and are supported to excel academically and have the opportunity to participate in many extracurricular activities. Come join our Murphy family.
Hi, I'm Robert Colosugita Jr. I'm a 7th grader at Audie Murphy Middle School. Join us as I show you all the great things Audie Murphy has to offer. One great thing about our middle school is our UAO program. We have a history of first and second place rating across all of our grade levels. It is a fun way to interact with your friends from the school and other middle schools. We have amazing UAO sponsors who work closely with us to prepare us for the competition. Another important thing about our school is having an advisory classroom in our schedule where we meet with our mentors to discuss core values and concerns we may have in our school or in our lives. It's like a mini therapy session that helps us learn how to approach problems head on and make good decisions. And of course, there are many things to be a part of, such as fine arts, athletics, specialized clubs, and dance, which is one of our many award-winning programs. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Here at Murphy, we never give up. That's the Ocelot spirit. Now come to Murphy because that's the place to be. We are Murphy.